Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is October 20th, 2025, and the top news about cryptocurrencies is as follows. First of all, have a good week to all of you. We will now move on to our first news for today, starting with Mr. Andrew Cuomo, who is a candidate for mayor of New York and wants to make New York a hub for artificial intelligence and cryptocurrencies, turning it into a city of the future. As you have already understood, since he is looking for votes, he says everything he can. We will see if he will do what he says and if he is really friendly with cryptocurrencies, like the previous mayor was. Continuing, we go to BCP, which is the first bank in Peru to offer access to cryptocurrencies with a license from the regulatory authorities. It is also the largest bank in Peru and has launched a pilot cryptocurrency platform under the country's national regulatory authority. Initially, it will allow select customers to purchase Bitcoin and USDC, which they can keep in the bank. As we said, little by little, all banks will get into the game. Let's also mention that even companies will delve into this, such as Sony, which also wants its own cryptocurrency bank. Specifically, Sony's banking sector has filed a request to obtain a national banking charter that will allow its subsidiary, Connectia Trust, to engage in certain cryptocurrency-related activities. According to the company, Sony Bank's request states that the company aims with the new trust that will allow it to issue stablecoins pegged to the dollar, hold corresponding cryptocurrency assets, and provide security and digital asset management services. But one company is getting into the game. Moving on to exchanges, we head to Binance to see why Binance has deleted 600 accounts. Binance has banned more than 600 user accounts for exploiting the alpha platform through coordinated bot activity. The cryptocurrency exchange has also introduced a reporting feature, which rewards users who flag fraudulent transactions. The detail in this matter is that, according to some reports, users massively used bots on Binance's alpha platform, a mechanism that determines access to many tokens before everyone else, and to airdrops. In short, there were users who used a large number of bots to receive more airdrops from the Binance platform. They were able to buy this coin early and use bots to gain this advantage. Let's say the company found that a coordinated group allegedly controlled half of the highest earning wallets, generating about $13 million through synchronized transactions. From Binance, it's time to move on to a coin for today, and we're going to Avalanche, which is bringing wine to the blockchain. More specifically, CruTrade, a new marketplace powered by Avalanche's blockchain, has launched with over $60 million worth of select wine. The platform is bringing more than 200,000 bottles from 250 producers, most of which are distributed in Burgundy, to collectors who can now buy those bottles of wine on the blockchain while the bottle remains securely stored. This is especially important for collectors because, through blockchain, you can buy a bottle of high-quality wine that remains in the producer's cellar, which is safe and has the perfect conditions for preserving the wine. So for collectors, this is very important. From Avalanche, we're going to go to a coin that takes money, and we're going to go to a DePIN project called Daylight Energy, which raised $75 million. Let's say Daylight will use the capital to further develop its project, which is essentially a decentralized DePIN physical infrastructure network focused on energy distribution. This project was created in 2022 and is developing a decentralized protocol that allows users to connect energy devices such as batteries, electric vehicles, solar panels, and others through the app, thereby earning passive income for users. So that's what the project does, and it secured $75 million to expand further. Now it's time to head to our favorite cryptocurrency market, where Bitcoin is sitting at $110,000, comfortably above our support. And the reason is the President of America, who has confirmed that he will meet with the President of China. Let's say that United States President Donald Trump confirmed on Sunday that he will meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping at the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation (APEC) Summit in Seoul, South Korea, which is scheduled to begin on October 31st. The entire market is expecting that perhaps, with this meeting, the two leaders will find common ground and come to a final solution and agreement on the US-China tariffs. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, October 20th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.